Hello there! In this video I want to show you how to take burst photos on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. So firstly we need to open camera, and here in the photo mode we can take a series of photos just by swiping this camera shutter button left like this. Let me show you. And here is how it will look. You can see there information about burst photos, the amount of your photos. I have currently 10, and if you would like to select a couple of them, you just need to use this select button. Then just select the preferred photos, tap the done button, and you will have two options. You can either keep everything or keep only two favorites. I'm gonna choose this one, and here is the normal regular photo. Now you can also use the volume up button to take a burst photos, but in this case the video is taken. So how to solve the problem? We just need to open settings, then go in the camera mode, and here we need to select use volume up for burst photos. Just tap on the switcher, and now when we will use this volume up button, burst photos will be taken just like this. And that's it, how you use it. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.